Birds' immunity to electrical hazards is a fascinating phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for years. This video will explore the science behind this ability and how it relates to birds perching on power lines. Birds don't get electrocuted when they land on electric wires, primarily because they are not good conductors of electricity, and the way they interact with the wires minimizes the risk of electrical shock. Here are a few key reasons. Birds have relatively small points of contact with the wire due to their size and the way they grip the wire. This limits the path for electrical current to flow through their bodies. The material that makes up birds' bodies, such as feathers and dry skin, are not good conductors of electricity. This prevents electric current from easily passing through their bodies. The voltage in most power lines is typically high enough to power household appliances and lighting, but it's not usually high enough to overcome the natural resistance of a bird's body. Higher voltages used in the power transmission lines can indeed pose a risk, but the design and spacing of these lines often deter birds from landing on them. For electricity to flow through a bird's body and cause harm, there needs to be a complete circuit with a path to the ground. When a bird lands on a single wire, there is no complete path for the electricity to travel through. Birds usually land on wires without touching multiple wires at the same time or coming into contact with other conductive structures. This minimizes the chances of creating a path for electrical current. In conclusion, birds don't get electrocuted when landing on electric wires due to their poor conductivity. The one-wing landing approach that prevents closed circuits, the spacing of their feet on the wire, and the characteristics of alternating current. These factors collectively minimizes the risk of electrical harm to birds and allow them to safely navigate their surroundings, even in close proximity to power lines. Thank you for watching.